Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make a text inside the subject in Adobe Photoshop. And also I have a trick for you that's gonna save you a lot of time when you are working in Adobe Photoshop. Let's get started. But first I would like to invite you to subscribe in my channel. I make tutorials about Photoshop and graphic design in general. So if you are interested, make sure to subscribe in the channel. And yes, let's get started. I have this image here and I want to make text inside the subject or inside the tower here. So what I'm gonna do is mainly create a copy of the background. Amazing. Now I need to select the subject, which is the tower. So what I'm gonna do is mainly go to select and go to select subject. Amazing. After we have the selection, we make a mask. Amazing. So now what we're gonna do is mainly to add the text. For example, welcome to. And I'm gonna add another text to New York. Amazing. Increase the size and align it in the center. Amazing. Now I'm gonna name the layer with the selection subject. Amazing. Now bring this layer into the top. So we have the background and then with the text and then the subject on top. Amazing. Now select the two layers of the text layers and make a copy by drag it to the plus. Amazing. Now we have a copy of this. Bring it to the top and name them outline. Amazing. Now select both layers and make the fill to 0. Amazing. Now select a layer and go to layer styles and add the stroke. Okay, adjust the color. Let's use the exact same color we used here. Amazing. The stroke looks good here. Looks good like this. Okay, now make the same thing with the second layer. You can either go to the traditional way as we did with the first layer, go to layer effects and add the stroke, or drag the effect here from the first layer by clicking Alt and drag it, and you have the exact same effect applied in the next layer. Amazing. So yes, mainly this is it. We have a text inside the subjects, and make sure to link the both layers with each layer with its outline so you can move the text together. Amazing. Do the same thing with the next layer. And yes, here you go. Okay, the trick that I have for you, let's say that I want to change the text. So in this situation, I have to change the both text. So I need to change the text of the outline. For example, let's make it bienvenue. And I'm gonna do the same thing with the other one. Okay, I need to hide this outline. Amazing. And I need to do the same thing with the next layer. Okay, the trick here, and in order to save time for this, we're gonna use something called the smart object. So you need to remove these two outlines, select the two layers that you have here, and right click on them and use convert to smart objects. Amazing. Now create a copy of this smart object by dragging it and make it to the plus. Amazing. And bring it into the top. As we did with the first layer, make the fill to 0 and add a stroke. Amazing. Now, here's the magic. If I need to change the text, all I need to do is double click on the smart objects. Now it's gonna take you to another window, and here you can make the changes you like on the text. Let's bring it, for example, welcome to. Adjust it in the center. And when you finish your adjustments, save it by going to File, Save, or you can simply use Command S. Close this page, and yes, mainly as you can see, the adjustment is applied in both the outline and the fill color. To see which one is the best, you can use another trick, which is split your workspace. So what you're gonna do mainly is go to Window, go to Arrange, and select one of these compositions here. I'm gonna use the two up verticals. As you can see here, our workspace is split in the half. We have two canvas here. So the changement that you're gonna make here, it will be applied automatically, and you can preview it directly to your work area or your main workspace. So for example here, let's change the color. Let's say we make it, we do the same thing with New York, and we save our changes. As you can see here, is directly applied in our workspace. So yes, mainly this is it. I hope you like this video. Like and follow, and see you in the next tutorials.